visit a couple of VW friends real quick, and then I'm going to take you to the place where I first saw my 63 Beetle. Just going to give you a little bit of a tour and reminisce about the days gone by. So, come along for the ride. Here we are, Herbie and friends hanging out today in sunny Florida. Just at the end of a little car event. So here we are in a parking lot for a grocery store on the corner of Town and Country Boulevard and Hillsborough Avenue in Tampa, Florida. The year was 1988, and I saw a beautiful white 63 ragtop Beetle pulling into this very parking space. Of course, being the VW fan that I was, I went up to the owner and asked that million-dollar question: do you want to sell your Beetle? She told me no, but said she needed somebody to work on it for her. Of course, I volunteered. And over the next few years, I did a little work to the car and always did something extra for free just to make sure that I helped preserve the vehicle, hoping that one day she would want to sell her to me. And that's exactly what happened. It was in December of '94 when I got a call from my parents, who said that the owner, Mary, was getting ready to retire and move, and she wanted to sell the car or fix it as it hadn't run in many months. This neighborhood is where the original owner of my 63 Beetle lived. And this is the garage that I drove Penny home from. The inserted picture is from the day I drove her home. So this is the path of my first drive in the car when I purchased her. Head down this road here towards the apartment that I lived in, and I ended up needing to pull into the gas station, and when I went to make the turn into the gas station, the right rear tire came off the rim. So when I turned into this parking lot, the tire came off the rib in the back, and I had to find out for the very first time if the original factory jack worked, which it did, and I was able to mount the spare on. So I had a grand adventure from my very first drive. So this is a view from the gas station parking lot, the road that I came in on. So I made that turn here, came up this pretty steep entrance. Then made the turn up in here and ended up having to fix the car right up in the parking lot. I thought I'd leave you all with a little treat at the end here. This is the earliest known photo that I have of my car. This was taken around 1989 when I was doing some work for the original owner. Thank you so much for riding along with me today. If you haven't done so, please subscribe to the channel. Remember to like and share the videos as well.